Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add a photo to the Photos application on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a couple of photos or even just one photo itself. A computer, we are using a Mac, so we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the Photos application, click on this. Make sure you have access to a photo. We can either drag and drop, and now the photo itself will have been added to the Photos application. Go to Photos, and this will be added according to when the first time you had the photo. So screenshot was taken in 2019, 28th of June. Now let's open up the photo. Take another screenshot of the photo itself. Let's bring that photo into the photo library again. And this is the photo. Let's go to Photos, and there we see it as a new import according to the time frame. So we can now quit Photos, highlight, remove the photo we recreated again. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.